over 70% of all the Porsche vehicles ever built are still on the road today. At Porsche Classic, a team of employees is dedicated to ensuring that this also remains the case in the future. At the heart of these efforts is the Porsche Classic Workshop. Our team of experts combines unique specialist knowledge, many years of experience, and a high level of personal enthusiasm. The total workshop space is 1,500 square meters, and around 250 historic Porsche vehicles are either serviced, repaired, or restored here every year by the 30 specialists. No project is too challenging. Original straightening sets and data sheets guarantee the highest precision for body restoration. A cathodic dip coating bath ensures the best possible corrosion protection. Authenticity and individual customer wishes have top priority in a complete restoration. Vehicles that are overhauled in the Porsche Classic Workshop are technically as new, but preserve their original character. Detailed documentation of the work steps is the seal of quality for every historic Porsche. Racing as the ultimate test. All Porsche vehicles are designed to cope with the stresses and strains of extreme driving conditions. The best proof of this is the fact that the Porsche 911 is the most successful racing car of all time. Whether on the racetrack or in rallying, highly durable and innovative technology is a common feature of all Porsche sports cars. The Porsche Classic Workshop performs all repairs on historic Porsche series production vehicles. All classic Porsche models are in the best possible hands here, no matter whether the task is overhauling the complex biturbo engine of the high-tech 959 super sports car, performing body repairs and paintwork, or revamping the interior. The experts in the Porsche Classic Workshop take regular servicing and inspection just as seriously as complex, partial or complete restorations. We perform every work step with the highest degree of care and attention. The quality and guarantees for our work always comply with customary Porsche standards. It also goes without saying that we offer our services at normal market prices. Whether for a transmission overhaul or a simple oil change. Porsche 911, 356 and 914. The front engine models 924, 944, 968 and 928. Or the technology pioneer, the Porsche 959. Porsche Classic takes care of all models up to the 911 of the 993 model line. We ensure worldwide parts supply. Over 35,000 genuine parts are always in stock. Around 150 previously no longer available parts are produced once more every year. For new production runs, we make use of historic documents and check the availability and condition of the original tools. The genuine parts are procured from the former series production suppliers. If this is no longer possible, we find new supply sources. The Porsche standards with respect to technology and safety are met in all cases. Porsche Classic also takes care of the technical literature. Around 800 drivers, repair and operating manuals are available. What better way could there be to experience the Porsche legend than with like-minded enthusiasts at a Porsche classic event such as the Oldtimer Grand Prix at the Nürburgring? We offer a program to cater for everyone. Historic racing cars from the Porsche Museum invite you to make a journey through the past. If you have any questions about genuine parts or repairing your vehicle, experts who are passionate about all things Porsche are available on the spot to provide you with the right advice. Original Le Mans winning vehicles and racing sport legends, the best possible opportunity to find out more about all the different aspects of Porsche Classic. The exclusive Porsche hospitality tent leaves no wish unfulfilled and provides the perfect setting for lively discussions between enthusiasts. A clear view of the racetrack is an essential part of every Porsche Classic event. After all, Porsche Classic is all about unique cars and their satisfied owners. The fascination of Porsche is timeless. Porsche Classic will ensure that this also remains the case in the future.